In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google to access the Notion platform and utilize the great Notion support services. This is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their productivity using Notion's marketplace. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google search page. Enter Notion in the search bar. Notion is a versatile digital workspace where you can organize tasks, projects, and more in a seamless manner. Once you hit enter, you'll be greeted with various search results. Look for the official Notion website link. It usually appears towards the top of the search results, making it easy to find. Next, click on the link to be directed to Notion's homepage. If you haven't been here before, this is where you'll access all the essential tools and features. Once on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking Log In will prompt you to enter your Notion account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have the option to sign up. After logging in, the next step is to visit the marketplace. Within Notion, the marketplace is a fantastic resource for discovering templates and tools that can elevate your organizational skills. Find and click on the Marketplace option. This area allows you to explore various community and professionally made templates designed to fit different needs. In the marketplace, use the search bar to find a template called Daily Drawing. Once you've found it, click on the link to explore the template. The Daily Drawing template is especially useful for those who engage in creative processes daily and wish to track their progress efficiently. After choosing the Daily Drawing template, you'll notice an Add button. Click the Add option to integrate this template into your Notion workspace. This allows you to access it conveniently whenever you need it. Following that, you should see Daily Drawing Habit Tracker appear on the left side of your Notion menu. Click on it to start customizing your experience. Inside the Habit Tracker, you'll have options to add more pages and tasks. This allows for a personalized workflow. To do this, simply navigate to the section labeled for New Entries and begin adding pages or tasks that fit your daily or weekly goals. Finally, type in your task details. Inputting information is straightforward, and you can customize each task to align with specific habits or projects you're tracking. Once completed, click on Daily Drawing Habit Tracker to return to your personalized dashboard. Here, you can see all your tasks neatly organized, giving you a clear view of your creative journey. And that wraps up our guide on utilizing Google and the great Notion support services to enhance productivity through Notion's marketplace. Explore, customize, and make the most of your Notion experience. Until next time, happy organizing!